Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Basic ICT PNG. In this video, we show you the difference, or we explain the difference between uh, the parts of a formula and the parts of a function. Okay, here is the general formula form, all right, or general form of a formula. All right. So in the general form of a formula, or formula's general form, we look at each equals argument 1 plus operator plus argument 2 plus operator plus argument 3. Now this goes on if there are more arguments. Let's see an example. Equals, every equation, whether it be a formula or function, must always start with an equal sign. So we have equals b3 divided by b4. Okay, so in this case here, see, that's our argument 1. That's the division operator. That's our argument 2. That's the minus operator. That's argument 3. That's plus operator, argument 4. Multiplication operator, um, argument 5. Addition operator, argument 6. Addition operator, argument 7. So these are arguments, these are operators. As you can see, they've been labeled. All right. Next, parts of a function. Now, in functions, as we've seen in an earlier video where we looked at the symbols or the operators used. In a function, we use the range operator, which is the colon, and comma as the union operator to separate their arguments. All right. So when you're using the range operator, which is the colon, um, this is how you can write it. Equals, as this sum is the name of the function. All right. So when you insert here, you click and you find a function. Sorry, you find a, yes, you find a function. For this example, we're just using sum. So you have equal sign, function name, open and close brackets. Okay, you open and close brackets. In between, you have your argument separated by a colon, which is the range operator. If you're using specific values, I use the range operator when all cells are inclusive. Use the union operator if the cells are separated. Here it says from B3, for the union it says from B3 to B12. If they are separated, you're doing using different cells in your calculation, you use the union operator. So it's the same thing. The form of a part of a function, you must have an equal sign, the function name. In this case, we are adding, so our function name is sum. If you are multiplying, then your function name will be product. If you're finding an average, your function name is average. You have to find the right function name and insert it. All right. After your equal sign, you have the function name. You have the open bracket. Your argument 1 separated by your uh, range operator, which is the comma, argument 2, and so on. The arguments will depend on the type of function you're choosing. All right. So this function here says that means get the sum of the value in B3, D3, C7, and B12. All right. So this is the difference between a parts of a formula and parts of a function. Thank you for watching.